2018 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, security system, CD player, brake assist, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.